Cin7 tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use Cin7, your ultimate solution for efficient inventory management and business automation. Cin7 is a software that helps you keep track of your products and sell them online or in stores. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up your account, understand different features and functionalities, create a new purchase order, and integrate Cin7 with other platforms like Xero, QuickBooks, and Vend. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using Cin7, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct home page. Once you're on the home page, click on the Start a Free Trial button, which will take you to the registration page. On the registration page, you'll be prompted to provide some essential information. Enter your first and last name, along with your email address and phone number. Additionally, you'll need to provide details about your company, such as its name, industry, country, and time zone. If you have a referral code, make sure to enter it in the designated referral code field. Don't forget to tick the box to accept the terms and conditions. Once you've filled out all the required information, click on the Start Your Free Trial button. After successfully signing up for a new account, you'll receive an email from Cin7 with account verification and password creation details. Head to your inbox and locate the email sent by Cin7. Open the email and look for the Complete Setup button. Clicking on this button will direct you to another page where you can set up your password. Choose a strong password and confirm it. When you're done, click on the Submit button. After submitting your password setup, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. From here, you can explore and make the most of Cin7's features to manage your inventory, orders, and more efficiently. The dashboard in Cin7 serves as the central hub, providing access to a wide range of features and functionalities. The dashboard features a left menu. The left menu plays a crucial role containing several important tabs, each dedicated to specific functionalities. The Dashboard tab offers a comprehensive overview of key elements such as quick links, sales, bills and orders, key performance indicators, product overviews, customer overviews, recorders, and reminder overviews. Additionally, you can manage your dashboard settings by clicking on the Manage Dashboard option. Under the Purchase tab, you can access various types of purchase-related functions, including simple purchases, advanced purchases, service purchases, and more, allowing for streamlined procurement processes. For managing sales-related activities, the Sales tab provides access to simple sale transactions, advanced sales, service sales, sale credit notes, and more, empowering you to handle your sales processes efficiently. The Production tab offers access to production-related activities, encompassing assembly, disassembly, job management, inventory write-off, production orders, and more, making it easier to handle manufacturing processes effectively. Within the Inventory tab, you can access all aspects of inventory management. This includes managing products, services, assets, product families, stock adjustments, stock take counts, transfers, and inventory write-offs, helping you to maintain accurate and organized inventory records. To manage financial transactions, the Financials tab allows access to features like receipt management, receiving money, spending money, money transfers, journal entries, and more, providing a comprehensive view of the company's financial activities. The CRM tab enables access to customer relationship management functionalities, including lead management, opportunity tracking, and task management, assisting you in effectively managing customer interactions. The Reports tab provides access to a variety of reports, including all reports, drafts, published reports, and archived reports. These reports offer valuable insights into various aspects of the business for informed decision-making. Through the Integration tab, you can access the App Marketplace, allowing you to integrate Cin7 with different platforms like Xero, QuickBooks, Vend, Stripe, and others, facilitating seamless data transfer and cross-platform compatibility. Lastly, the Settings tab offers access to essential configuration options, allowing you to manage general settings, reference books, user roles and permissions, document and email templates, and automation settings, thereby providing full control over the Cin7 platform's customization preferences. Now, let's see how to create a new purchase in Cin7. To create a new purchase in Cin7, navigate to the left menu and click on the Purchase tab. Once you click, the left sidebar will open, presenting various options like Simple Purchase, Advanced Purchase, and Service Purchase. Let's assume you want to create a new Simple Purchase, so click on the Simple Purchase option. This action will direct you to a page where you can initiate the process of creating a new purchase. Begin by providing the necessary details in the Supplier Details section. Here, you will need to input the type of supplier, their contact information, phone number, and vendor address. Proceed to the Accounting Details section, where you should specify relevant accounting information. Choose the appropriate number of days in the Terms field and select the required date. Enter the inventory account associated with the purchase. If tax is inclusive, provide the relevant tax rule for accurate accounting. Moving on to the Shipping Details section, enter the date, location, and shipping address pertinent to the purchase. Once you've completed this section, proceed to the next step, which is Authorize. In the Authorize section, you can add or import items for purchase. To add an item, click on the Add More Items option. Input the product name, any necessary comments, the supplier SKU, stock keeping unit, unit measurement, quantity, price, and any applicable discounts. You have the flexibility to add as many products as required for the purchase. Next, navigate to the Additional Costs section, where you can include any supplementary expenses related to the purchase order. Click on the Add More Items option to input the description, reference, quantity, price, discount, and tax rules for each additional cost. Additionally, you can use the Purchase Order Memo field to add any relevant notes or memos related to the purchase. Once you have provided all the necessary details, take a moment to review them for accuracy. If you spot any mistakes, make the necessary corrections. When you are ready, click on the green circle button located at the bottom of the page to save your purchase. After successfully saving your purchase, you can view it in the Purchases section within the Purchase tab. This allows you to track and manage the procurement activities efficiently within Cin7. Next, let's see how to integrate Cin7 with other platforms. To integrate Cin7 with other platforms, navigate to the left menu and select the Integration tab. Upon clicking this tab, you will be directed to the Integration page, where various platforms available for integration are listed. These integrations are organized into different categories for easy access. By clicking on any category, you can explore the integrations available within that specific category. For instance, let's assume you wish to integrate with Xero, a popular accounting platform. Click on the Xero option from the list of integrations. This action will lead you to another page dedicated to the Xero integration. Here, click on the Connect button, initiating the integration process. After that, you will be redirected to the Xero login page. Provide your Xero account credentials and complete the necessary authorizations to enable the seamless integration between Cin7 and Xero. This step ensures that the two platforms can communicate and share data effectively, streamlining your business operations and enhancing overall efficiency. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Cin7. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can sign up using the first link in the description. I would really appreciate that, thank you. I hope you found it useful and learned something new. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching.